Happy Wednesday. So this is kind of a little bit of a surprise virtual open house, I guess you could say, but so excited to come by 63 Bellicourt and see that the siding is up and the sheetrock is in. So I figured I'd give you a tour. This one is active on the MLS. It's our first one in Jones Farm. Again, Jones Farm is located at the corner of Highway 42 and like 50 area and Johnston Road. So you've got a great rocking chair front porch here. Again, we're at 63 Bellicourt Drive. No one is working, so we are social distanced. All right, great open floor plan. As you can see, beautiful formal dining room area. Flows right into the living room, and that is open on this side as well. So it's open all the way around. Great living room area. Again, sheetrock just went up, so you can really see how big these rooms are. I'm really excited about this one. So that's going to be the kitchen. There's a huge center island, a beautiful breakfast nook area. And we are on a cul-de-sac lot, so you can see really beautiful backyard, screen porch here. This is a huge screen porch. It is massive, you can see that. Again, we're at 63 Bellicourt Drive in Jones Farm. It's a Raleigh 27603 address, but Johnston County Schools. So you've got a great pantry area there. Closet under the stairs, which I love. You're going to have the, there's a drop zone coming in from the garage. And then it's got a first floor master, half bath here. Nice and tucked away. And then you've got the master bedroom. You see the tray ceiling they've done in here. Really good size master. And master bathroom. It's going to have double vanities. Really great size stand-up shower. I don't know if y'all can see. Here, let me get a little bit further back. Great stand-up shower there. Separate water closet. Huge walk-in closet. And guys, I'm getting ready to show you my favorite part. So excited. Your own laundry room and your master closet. The other bedrooms are upstairs, which I'll show you in just a second. But how fabulous is that you're not running your laundry up and down. As soon as you take it off, you get in the shower, you can throw it straight in the washing machine. I love that. So excited. This house has 2 laundry rooms. Okay, so second floor. Here we come. You can tell how bright and open this house is. Love it. Great little landing area here. So let's see, we've got a full bathroom here. I always love it when they do the double vanities and then they separate like the commode and the shower area by a door. So if you have multiple kids, you can have one getting ready in the shower while one's brushing their teeth. And then really good bedrooms here. It's also going to have some unfinished walk-in storage, as you can see. And let's see, bedroom here. Bedroom number 3 here. I love rooms that have unique shapes. You can do so much with this wall. This would make a great office as well. Huge closet. Nice walk-in closet. Another bedroom here. Again, good size. And we are nestled on a cul-de-sac lot. Another full bathroom here. So you actually have 2 full bathrooms on the second floor. This one's got a stand-up shower. The other one had a tub. And then here's the laundry room. I love how the ceiling is done in here. I don't know if you can tell, like with the sheetrock, but it's kind of slanted. Just really cool. Really great size laundry room here. And then we have another room, which would be your bonus room. So true 4 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, 2 laundry rooms, and a bonus room. Fantastic. And this is built by American Homesmith. Really great local builder. So we've got some new people who've hopped on. So I'm going to show you the first floor real fast. Again, we're at 63 Bellicourt over in Jones Farm. Look how bright and open. Just love it. Dining room, open to the family room, open to the kitchen. It's going to have a huge center island. There you go. So there's 63 Bellicourt. It is online on MLS. We are in Jones Farm. Siding just went up. Sheetrock just done. Rolling right along. And as you can see, we are busy out here in Jones Farm. So I'm going to do a quick tour in a little bit. I post later so you can see all the houses we have coming out of the ground out here. Give us a call, 919-651-HOME. Bye, y'all.